Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you what are the 5 signs of bad shocks or struts, and we will be replacing rear struts on 2014 Toyota Camry. So the 5 signs are oil leak, excessive nosedive, steering shake, body roll and poor braking.
I will also show you where I purchase my parts from, and I have found that PartsAvatar is a great source to buy quality parts. First, you go to PartsAvatar website, create your account, select your vehicle year, make and model, and then find for what part you are looking for. In my case, I am finding suspension system, so I will go into suspension systems, and from here I will select rear strut. After I select the real estate, it will show me so many options. If you are unsure, you can also use the chat feature on PartsAvatar website, and the representative they can help you. And the good thing is you get 70% off on most of the parts. Ordering from PartsAvatar website was really convenient. I was given the tracking number and I received my parts on time. So in my case, I ordered rear struts from KYB brand, and they were really cheap, and I heard this is a very good quality product. So it's a quick unboxing video. You see everything is very brand new, looks clean. There is a KYB sticker on it. So this was the quick unboxing video, and next we will move towards the actual replacement of the rear strut, and so next video will be for the installation video. So I have a 2014 Toyota Camry, and I will be replacing the rear struts on this car. To replace the rear struts, we need to remove the wheel and support the vehicle on jack and jack stands. So remove the bolts from the wheel, and there is a three nuts behind this seat cover. So we will need to remove that. I will show you step by step, and because there is a ABS sensor, so we need to remove the battery negative terminal. So we will start with loosening the 10 millimeter nut on this negative terminal of the battery and tuck it on the side. So now we have removed the negative terminal, so we are safe to work on the vehicle now. Remove the 5 lug nuts of the wheel while the vehicle is seated on the ground, and we will then raise the vehicle, and after that remove the lug nuts all the way. Removing the lug nuts and then raising the vehicle on jack and supporting the vehicle with the jack stand, and also we will put the tire underneath.
In order to remove the strut from the knuckle, you need to remove the sway bar link, you need to remove the brake line and ABS sensor. A good idea is that you should lubricate the bolts and nuts with the WD-40, so which is what I'm gonna do next. So we will lubricate. Use a 5 millimeter hex or Allen key and 14 millimeter wrench. Open the upper end of the sway bar and link. Now you remove your brake line and your ABS sensor wire. Hold the back seat and pop one from the right side and pop up one from the left side, so the back seat can remove out easily. Now it's the good time to clean all the chips and all the things that fall underneath the seat. Now it's a good time to clean it up, and also it's the good time while the seat is out you can clean it. In order to remove this side panel, you need to first remove the 2 bolts underneath, and then lift the cover up and slide it outwards. So these are the two bolts that you need to remove. Once these two bolts are removed, next you should lift the panel up and then slide it out. Now remove the three nuts on top of the strut with the help of a wrench, and then you will be able to remove the complete strut assembly. Now this is the before and after comparison. This is the new KYB strut, and on the right is the old original Toyota strut. So you can see all the bolting pattern and the mountings are the same. The plate is same, and it's the same thickness. The steel and the spring is same thickness. The rubber boot and the top mounting pattern, it's same. Now it's time to install the new KYB strut into this place, and we'll start by sliding the strut upwards and start installing the mounting bolts. Apply medium strength thread locker. Finally, we have our new KYB strut installed on its position. In last, we will install the sway bar end link back into its position and put the wheels back, and the car is good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.